You're paying $20 a month for Claude Pro. What if I told you there's a website where you can use Claude, GPT level models, and dozen, completely free, no credit card, no subscription, no tricks? There is, and it's called Arena AI. Also known as LM Arena, is a research platform built to let you test and compare the world's best AI models side by side. You get Claude tier responses, Gemini, open source models, all for $0. Now, there are 3 ways to use it. Battle mode, you send a prompt. 2 random AI models answer, you pick the winner. You don't know which model is which until after you vote. Side by side, same concept, but you choose the 2 models you want to compare yourself. Paste your prompt, then get result. Direct, you just pick one model and chat with it normally. Just compare 2 AI responses and vote on which one is better. Simple, fun, and apparently worth millions of dollars, but we'll get to that. So, what's the catch? Instead of charging your card, Arena charges you something else, your time and your patience. But that's only part of the story. So who's actually paying for all this? Let's start with you. Every vote you cast in battle mode is generating human preference data. Which model answered better? Which one felt smarter? That data is gold for AI labs. Your conversations may be logged, shared with researchers, used to train better models. But your votes alone don't pay for the servers. That's where investors come in. Arena has raised over $100 million in venture funding. Enterprises pay for the premium products behind the scenes. You get the free playground as a side effect. And then there's the third piece, the AI companies themselves. Anthropic, open source labs, AI startups, they all want their models on Arena's leaderboard. Because if you test a model here and love it, you'll pay for its API later. So now the real question, when do you actually use Arena and when do you just pay for Claude? If you're a student, creator, or casual user, Arena is enough. Test prompts, explore models, generate ideas, write scripts. You're not losing anything by using it for free. But the moment your work involves client data, tight deadlines, or daily heavy usage, pay for Claude. Speed, privacy, and reliability are not optional at that level. Think of it this way. Arena is the free trial that never expires. Claude Pro is when the free trial starts costing you more in lost time than the subscription ever would. If this saved you $20 a month, drop a like, subscribe for more AI tools that actually matter.